This is video clip 7 of the means testing video presentation. We are ready then to run the reliability analysis for the undergraduate sample on learning self-efficacy and program satisfaction. To run the reliability analysis, go up to the analyze command up in the top menu, and then go ahead and move down to scale and then highlight reliability analysis. And the first instrument I want to look at independently is self-efficacy. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight the 10 SE items, SE1 through SE10, put those over in the box. And then I usually like to look at some additional statistics. I like to look at individual item statistics and also scale, and scale if item is deleted. And we'll kind of show what that means when we actually get the results of the analysis. Hit the continue button and OK, and then we get actually our output box, which shows that we have a Cronbach's alpha of 0.917. So we have a really high level of reliability. So this is a really effective instrument in terms of instrument reliability. All of the items are highly correlated with each other. They all seem to be aiming at the same construct. Again, you need validity to ascertain the degree to which that construct really represents learning self-efficacy. And again, that was something that was part of this overall evaluation study. But the reliability statistics are part of the validation process, and they just show you that indeed this is an effective instrument in terms of ascertaining this particular construct, learning self-efficacy. And you can see the means of the individual items in the next box. They're all fairly close to each other. I mean, again, this was an instrument that I did validate, including running the reliability statistics before actually collecting the larger sample. So, you know, it is showing up as something that has been validated. But anyway, if you go down to the item total statistics, what I usually look for is a couple of things. Number one is corrected item total correlation, which just means how strongly does this item correlate to the total scale. And you want, you know, the perfect item would be 1.0, so you want a high correlation. And we have good correlations here for our various items, as you can see, everything from about 50% up. And my Cronbach's alpha was 0.917. And as you can see, if I removed any of the item, I'm really not, every item 8 was probably the weakest, and it would have increased that by just a little bit. But again, overall, it was a pretty effective item too. It did correlate at 50%, so the item was kept in the instrument for the larger data collection, the larger sample. So again, I have some good reliability statistics here, so I did feel comfortable using this instrument as a measure of learning self-efficacy. So in the next video clip, we'll show how we'll actually perform the reliability analysis on program satisfaction.